775. Redback is correct.
Ground.
Ground. Good day. Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Oscar 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Oscar 5119. Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Will go.
Oscar 5674 ground. Landed at 46. Report runway vacated. Ground. Oscar 5674 runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. Oscar 5674 continue taxi to gate. Will go.
9 Echo 5017 ground. Landed at 46. Report runway vacated. Ground. 9 Echo 5017 runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. 9 Echo 5017 continue taxi to gate.
Request taxi. Oscar 5119. Taxi to holding point runway 33. Alpha 2780, good day. Alpha 2780, you are cleared to Kilo Delta Echo November 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Kilo Delta Echo November 4000 feet. When ready to start. Alpha 2780, redback is correct. Ground. Alpha 2680, good day. Alpha 2680, you are cleared to Kilo Sierra Alpha November 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Kilo Sierra Alpha November 4000 feet. When ready to start. Alpha 2680, redback is correct.
Ground. Alpha 2634 good day. Alpha 2634 you are cleared to Kilo Sierra Foxtrot Oscar 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Foxtrot. Read to copy.
Departure runway 33, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Departure runway. 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.